guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying out the Cardi B hair mats. My hair is pretty dry, so we're going to be making this yummy hair mats. We're going to be needing an avocado, banana, castor oil, olive oil, also avocado oil. We need honey, mayonnaise, and 1 egg. I'm going to use my Nutri-Bullet. I'm going to put all the ingredients in, starting with the avocado. Peel this in and put it in just like so. Next is the banana. I'm gonna add in 1 egg. Castor oil is next. I'm gonna be putting 2 tablespoons. Also 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Now I'm putting in honey. I'm putting like 2 tablespoons as well. And then I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm going to be using my Nutri-Bullet, so I'm going to put the lid and blend. This is the max ready. It looks really nice. It smells nice and yummy and it looks really nice. I really like the way it looks. It's creamy and smells yummy. My hair is proper dry. Looking forward to using this max on my hair. So this is what it looks like before I apply the max. Really dry and tasty. And now I'm gonna start by spritzing water into my hair just to make it manageable. So I've parted my hair in 4 sections. My hair is fully saturated with water. I'm gonna jump right into applying the hair max. I'm applying section by section. I've started with this first section. Really nice, feels soft, and it just feels amazing on the hair. And my hands can easily glide through. this feels amazing, guys. I really like this mask. It's very moisturizing, defines my curls. Like literally, look at the definition of my hair. The curls are popping. So this is the section done, really nice. I'm gonna jump right into the other sections. Hair mask really feels amazing. It's very moisturizing, and it just, look at the definition it's given to my hair. You know, the curls are just popping. They're defined. They're so defined, and it feels soft. It smells divine. Really like this hair mask so far. Loving this. I love the way it feels. I love the way it looks. If you're loving this video, click the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you see my new videos as soon as they come. Next, I'm just going to be parting my hair into two sections just to tuck the hair away and just put it in a shower cap, and then I'm going to sit around for 30 minutes. I left it for about 20 minutes and then I washed it all out. So this is how my hair is looking like after washing the mask out. It feels really soft. My curls are popping, super defined. I like the way it just feels. I like the way I like the way my hair is feeling really soft. And it's a nice mask. I'm definitely gonna be using this again. My hair is super moisturized, super defined. Really nice mask. Leave in a comment and let me know what you guys think. If you're gonna go ahead and give this mask a try, or you've tried it before, let me know what you think. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, as I do post videos every Friday and Sundays. I'm also on Instagram at Cardi. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.